Thanks for dropping in. I am testing, of course, a Commodore 64. On the back it says works, but old 64. Cart work, sound okay, 15, keyboard dirty, yellowed. Well, that doesn't sound like much of a fuss. It's, you know, it's yellowed a bit. It doesn't look filthy. By the way, I was just putting a Commodore 64 on the pile and in the area where I have the working machines. I'm not perfectly sure. I think I can see them all. And I think there are 24 of them. Now, they're not all... I haven't put the keyboards onto all of them. So it isn't like I just have 24 ready to go. But I have other there's lots of keyboards around. Lots of them. Lots of them. And unfortunately, not all of them, but some of them will need attention, some of them will need cleaning, some of them, of course, have broken keys. Broken stems. So, yeah. So, of course, waiting for the dead test to run. I'm sure it will run. I'm sure it will be fine. The logo is coming off. I guess the glue of 30 years. Maybe I'll just hold my thumb there. The glue from 30 years ago. Or the adhesive. Because I think these were probably adhesive things that had stuff built onto them. You know, they dry out. So while this is testing, I will just keep my thumb on there. And push down. Maybe it will reinvigorate. Maybe, possibly. So soon the sound check will come. And then, indeed, the sorting of this machine might be over. One thing I do notice about this machine, well, seems alright. I do notice, I think this probably belonged to somebody who maybe smoked, maybe. It's like there's yellowing on the keys, but only on the tops of the keys. Like all the stuff on the front, all the, like F1 is yellow, F2 is fine, F3 is yellow, F4 is fine. So, I don't know. Maybe it was a smoker. I don't know. I just don't know. One thing I suppose I should do just before declaring this pretty okay and happy is I should run down the keys. Yep. Oh, I think we missed a few there. Well, that was, I think, better. Not bad. Maybe the E key seems okay. That was one that I think was, maybe the R. Sometimes you need a good cleaning, sometimes you just need a little exercise. Oh, like the return key. The shift key. So I would, keyboard. It's not terrible, but it would be, if you were using this and really trying to type things, it could be annoying. It could be. So, much as described. Oh, keyboard duty, yeah. So, we'll just say December 2019, indeed keyboard. Needs but overall, pretty okay. So, when there's nothing else to do, there's nothing else to do. Thanks for coming. Stay tuned for more episodes. Bye for now.